What's the name?
Donna!
What's the name?
Donna!
What?
Justice!
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 What?
Justice!
What's the name?
Donna!
Up the other side.
Donna!
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And hit the notification button. And check out the WhatsApp group too. And check out the other links. Now, couple things are going on. You know, Donna case, the boy Noel Maitland, him go to court to try get a bail hearing, but them end up slapping with another charge. I guess the charge is failing to reveal a dead body or something like that. I guess some kind of weird charges, like the US FBI, them have some weird charge. Them have a very broad area for charge you from. You can look on somebody in a federal case and get charged to blow out. But them go court to get bail, and apparently the prosecutor them come through and hit him with new charge. And I must say, I love how the police investigate this case. And the reason why I'm saying that is them come up with couple new discovery. Them find DNA evidence in that boy the apartment, Noel Maitland. I don't know how him can live in an apartment in the middle of New Kingston and him a police, but I guess him a music producer too and thief. But the DNA match, and them also come out with CC footage. Them say them have CC footage of that boy at a car wash or somewhere, but there is CC footage. So pretty much the prosecutor and the police them a deal with that case here, right? And it's a shame that boy Noel dog. I watch him, Terrodan and Donna Lee on an interview. And I can't believe that boy killed a beautiful girl, dog. She was a nice person. But before I go any further, let me say this. My channel is Jamaica first, country first, and me name Countryman, correct? Me not just repost the news like we're out there. Me usually break it down and give my personal opinion and my personal feelings. And sometimes me even take them things personal and cuss up a whole heap of bad word and thing. But if you find my channel valuable to my way of me analyze and break it down and profile things, just share the video for me. Now, back to the story. The police them do good work, but what me would I like them to do is to check the phone records of Donna Lee and the boy there and anybody where they around them, and try and link the time of when she make calls or who she call or who him call and stuff like that. Now, as we move along, we hear say them have some CC footage like I mentioned earlier. Me have to talk about that a little. Now, at the first time the court I go hear what go on with that brother here. So, the prosecutor tell the judge that Maitland leave New Kingston and go down a Constant Spring Road, get a truck driver to follow him back to his house to move a couch. Now the truck driver say him see Maitland and another man bring a couch downstairs and load it in a truck. The couch is a red and brown couch. Now the prosecutor said them have a series of CC footage tracking Maitland. Let's go. Now when the court was told also, the man said him drive behind Maitland and Maitland stop at one car wash. At the car wash, 3 men get out of Maitland car. So Maitland and 2 other men. So him and a man move the couch downstairs. And then when they reach the car wash, the 3 of them get out of Maitland car. And CCTV footage has been caught by that, and the prosecution have it. Boy, me nah lie. The boy a Maitland a one dangerous police boy, you know. Me I wonder how much people that boy a kill. Now, check this out. The prosecution tell the judge say Maitland had went to the car wash earlier on July the 12th and asked them if him can wash a couch. Him tell the people them at the car wash that him cousin get cut and bleed out on the couch and him want to wash out the couch. Now beyond that, on the 12th, he called one of his neighbor up there in the apartment where he lived and said to the neighbor that he was walking by and his camera probably caught him with a spliff. And because of that, he's afraid he won't get his promotion and if the neighbor can delete the video. The neighbor disagreed. Now, beyond that, what Maitland did, he went to another neighbor and told the neighbor that somebody that was with him went missing and he wanted to see the videotape. What a boy, dangerous. This dude is diabolical, but he's not smart because he should have been know about the camera then from day one, yo. He should have been know about the camera then. Obviously, in brethren them dead with him, him should have make somebody else go, but me not advocate the killing. Me just say, if you ever do something, you know what I'm saying? But yo, that boy guilty as sin. Let's go. Now remember to like, share and subscribe that video. If you like what I do right now, like and share it. But check this out. Now, him call a resident a few times on the 15th and 16th of July. The man had a CCTV camera footage. Now, Maitland, the dirty police boy, look on the footage and the footage show him and Donna arrive at the apartment. A lady with long hair, them say. And then, hours later, him alone leave the apartment. Now, the man who owned the CCTV footage said he felt pressured by Maitland. So, apparently, they must delete it. He had also told the man that the police might come talk to him and want to look on the tape because the young lady he was with went missing. So all of that came out in the court. And if this guy is not guilty, listen, he's a white man then, for real. This is a dangerous, very dangerous brother. Now, him call the truck man too, you know. Him call the truck man. I want to try to come see the truck man and make the truck man come see him. And believe me, I kill him would I kill the truck man. A dangerous boy, you know. And when we watch the video with him and Donna and Don, Me I say, yo, that youth here is a sociopath. What is a sociopath? He's somebody who can adapt and totally disassociate themselves with the situation. Lack of empathy. Look it up. Now, as we go, you know, say, Eddie Lewis and the youth there, Andre, guard the court and support them, the Donna thing. But most of all, what me like is the fact that the women them were out there chanting for Donna Lee, and we need to see more of this in Jamaica. Now show now a little bit of this footage. Let's go.
Justice! 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 Justice!
What's the name?
Donna Lee!
What's the name?
Donna Lee! Justice!
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 What's the name?
Donna Lee!
Justice!
Justice!
So we look up there, you pay for to run with him. Hey, boy, run with him. Listen what they will work, boy. You would have seen about 2 days. I'm sorry, yeah, man. And the 2 ambassadors to the world. One day, I don't run him down. I fight him. Start your way, so now, what we want?
I want to ask you one question.
No, what we want before that?
No, may I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Why you take on Miss Kitty?
Why am I taking Miss Kitty? Because Miss Kitty now is my good friend, and you have to tell a good friend the truth.
So why you want to impregnate Miss Kitty?
Mix up. Who tells me why I'm pregnant?
Because me here say you should be picking them. I'm going to name Kitty Car and Kitty Poo.
I'll tell her that.
No, I'm not lie. You see, where L.A. Lewis and Andre and them woman here do are some most Jamaicans for be. You can't tell them people I love them country. I'm not care what them want to talk about L.A. Lewis. Me not care what them want to talk about Andre. You understand? I respect the man them for the man them I do for the country. You see, LA, he make sure, you know, him go down at the courthouse and he might call out the case and I update people, you know. Everything when him say yes, so when him say that the case are that go on, cause DNA which everybody would have know. You see what I'm saying? But me like what the man they do. Me like what the man do. Only thing that I say, boy, they need to be careful. Cause you know the dirty Jamaicans them stay. As you can see, the public love L.A. Lewis. The woman them love him. And when him go out, he might go out for equal rights and justice. And Andre, the same thing. Yo, me gonna recap it and then me gonna let go. Now, Maitland in the court and the prosecutor come out with new evidence with CCTV footage from hardware store to a car wash with him and 3 other man plus the truck driver with him used to deliver one couch. Him tell the man at the car wash say him want to wash the couch, him virgin get cut or a cousin get cut. Him also call 2 the resident then where him live and make up some story about him smoke weed and him can't get promotion for one of the resident denied request. The other resident like him give up the tape because him feel pressured. And upon the tape, the resident tell the police say him see Maitland and a brown girl come there with long hair. And then later, Maitland leave by himself. And him say Maitland call him about 5 times, 5 to 6 times within a 24-hour period, and him feel pressured because no Maitland was a police. Dangerous boy, yo. Dangerous boy. And at that we have to put up with in our country. Them kind of police there. Yo, my name is Countryman. If you like what I'm doing, click on another video. Alright? And share this. Now like me say, me I give my own opinion. my analysis and how me feel about certain things that's going on in Jamaica. I am out. Peace.